friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Spider Gwen as a Squishmallow. So first we're going to start with the shape of the body. So we're going to start in the top and we're going to start by curving this line around and then down on the left. And then starting back in the center on the top, we're just going to continue to curve this line around and then down on the right. Bringing the body further out on the side now, we're going to start back on this line, continuing to bring that down towards the middle. Starting back on the side again, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the right-hand side, arching this line back in, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the left, we're going to curve this line back around and then in towards the center, flattening that out on the bottom. And then starting back in the middle, we're just going to continue to bring this line over and then up on the right. Now let's come up towards the top and we're going to curve this line out towards the left. We'll start from that point in the middle, curving this over and out towards the right. On the point there, we're going to curve this line over on both sides. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line out and then up. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this out and then back up. Let's continue to bring this line in towards the top, replicating the shape on the outside. And then as we step out towards the outside, coming down, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards that point. Now let's add in some details, starting with the eye. On the top right-hand side, we're going to curve this line in and then out. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the left, replicating that. Now from here, we're going to continue on this line to bring this line down towards the middle. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal, bringing this up. And now on the side, on the top, we're just going to curve this line around and then in, closing that off. Let's move in towards the middle now. In the corner, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then starting back on the inside, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then back up. Now let's come down and draw on the spider symbol. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the inside, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. Now from that point, we're going to arch this line in. Again, from that corner, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to again arch this line back in. Now coming out on the left, we're going to curve this line down. And then again, pointing this in towards the middle. Again, we're going to curve this line out towards the center. And then from this corner, just curving this line up towards the top, and we're going to leave a gap in the center. And then now from here, we're going to connect this with a nice big arch line. Lastly, let's just draw in the web pattern over here. So on the side, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out We're going to leave a gap as we come down, replicating that. We'll do the same on the right, drawing in 2 diagonal lines that come out, and then leaving a gap coming down, replicating that. On the top, we're going to curve this line up. Moving down, connecting this, we're going to curve this line in. And then again from that corner one more time, we're going to arch this line in. Now let's replicate this as we move out. So leaving a small gap, we're going to draw in 2 more diagonal lines that come across. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back, around, and then down. And then one last time on the top and bottom. That is it. That's how you draw a spider Gwen Squishmallow. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.